my favorite spot, it would be at the Tropical Grove, because you have the nature aspect where there are many events which brings up the lively atmosphere.
Sometimes in the morning, I'll sit there for just 10 minutes and sort of mentally prepare myself for the coming day.
I really like the spiral staircase. If you are at the basement and you look up, you see a nice eye.
SJ Campus is an office in nature within the Jurong Innovation District. Here people come together to ideate, collaborate, and create, drawing inspiration from the nature that surrounds them.
Being located in the Cleantech Park Jurong Innovation District, it put us in the leading positions to collaborate and drive the key growth area of Industry 4.0 and Smart City solution to create a net zero future.
The SG campus is actually very different from any offices you have seen downtown. This campus is one of the lowest energy campus in Singapore. Trees and shrubs within the compound, which really brings out the biophilic design, integrating with concrete buildings.
The way the campus is designed, I feel like we get a lot more of these informal, spontaneous interactions. Feels like you're in a park.
When we first stepped in, I was in awe because it's a beautiful campus. There is a lot of also wilderness around.
Huge windows, you're always kind of next to it, even if you're not outside in it. So I think that that's certainly a key differentiator in what really drew us to it.
I think the whole idea of this campus is for colleagues across the group to collaborate with one another, to know one another better, and to just celebrate each other. One example I can think of is the Annual Leaders Forum. This is an event that saw 150 leaders from 30 cities and 17 countries come together here at SJ Campus, a space for them to exchange knowledge and ideas. And it was just nice to see everybody from different parts of the world come together here.
SJ Campus actually supports the group's growth journey by enhancing collaboration among teams from different disciplines and across geographies. The next phase of our transformation demands stronger teamwork than ever among our global talents.